Hello everyone, welcome back to Bunch of Opportunities. Today I'm going to share with you some international internship opportunities by Industrial Technology Research Institute or ITRI, which is from Taiwan. So, Industrial Technology Research Institute or ITRI, they have been hosting uh, since 2006 around 35 international students, and for the each summer for internships 2 to 3 months. While they have also have some limited number of longer internships um, from 4 to 6 months during spring, summer, and fall. So for the 2025 internship is open and have been posted on the internship application page. Here you can see the ITR internship application page link. If you go, you can see. I'll show you later. So if you're interested in coming to ITRI for your internship, but do not find any opening related to your research area. So in that case, what you can do, you can send your CV or resume and your interested research area, and like uh, when you are interested or when you like to start your internship dates, and send a formal email to talent@itri.org.tw. Okay, so let's talk about the internship program details and some application information. So before going program details, let me show you the internship application page link. If you click this link, you will be redirected to the application page link, where you will find, as you can see, the current openings: internship program autonomous driving intern, and internship program industry analysis intern, and there are a couple of long-term internship program as well. So you can check through this link, which I will attach in the description. So say for let's go in the second internship program, industry analysis intern. So if you go, you will find the details about the internship opportunities that you are looking for. So as it stated, this internship is in ITRI's Industry, Science and Technology International Strategy Center, ISTI, located on our main campus in Hsinchu County, Taiwan. So you can find the job description and the desired qualifications. So for example, here it written that undergraduate, master's, or doctoral students in relevant fields such as business management, economics, engineering, etc. So if you go through like listed current openings, you will find the information and the details. Are you qualified or not? Just check your eligibility and do apply as soon as possible. Okay, so let's talk about the in general eligibility. So accepted interns must be able to provide documentary evidence from the university. Like you have to show some documents from your university that you were a student, and after entire period of the internship, you will come back or something. And you must hold a valid passport from a country other than Taiwan. The program dates, as mentioned, is quite flexible. But in general, summer interns should be available to work for at least 10 weeks between May and September. So in the meantime, May and September, you can choose your period. And longer internship, as I already mentioned, it 4 to 6 months and are possible throughout the all year. So it's a flexible and depending on student and the department needs. So and acceptance offers are made. Please indicate your desired internship dates in your application. So the very good important is you have to mention your desired internship dates in the application. So now let's talk about what are the advantage or what ITRI provides you as an intern. So the package described below is standard, but may be significantly depending on your situation between the you and your department. So accommodation, you will get accommodation on ITRI campus. modern dormitories on a spacious campus with dining and recreational facilities. And you will get monthly stipend before taxes, Taiwan dollar 24,000 to 40,000 per month. Again, is depend on student experience and department situation. So the range is from 24,000 Taiwan dollar to 40,000 Taiwan dollar per month. So if you are offered a position, the offer will specify the stipend and other details. So you don't need to worry about it. And free ITRI group insurance. So you will have group insurance. So this is accident insurance. Those who want full medical coverage must purchase independently. So this is insurance for only accidental purpose or accidental case. But in case if you want full medical coverage, then you have to purchase it by yourself. Let's talk about the deadline. So for the summer internships, applications are reviewed on a rolling basis, and they removed the position as their field. So whatever you see is the current ongoing. So if a position is still posted in the internship application system, that means application is still open. So they're very responsive. They try to respond to applications in timely fashion, but due to the overwhelming number of applications and the limited of our system, this is not always possible. But if you need an update on the status of application, you can email them at the contact address. So yeah, there is some other information. Unless otherwise specified, the working language for those internship will be English. So if there is no mention of other languages, in general it will be in English. But if you have the knowledge of Mandarin is required, then it is noted in the job description qualified. So other than English, if there is any language is required, so it will be noted in the job description or qualification. And here are some options. You can see remote internships or internships are generally based in Taiwan. So if you're interested in doing a remote internship from outside Taiwan, you can note this on your application. So mm, you will have that opportunity if if you can have some conversation or if they agreed to provide you the remote internship based on your case. So you have to mention everything on your application, either you want to do it remotely or on site. And if you for the application, if you click click here to access IT internship application system, and you have to review position description and apply. And for the any information you need regarding the internship program, either it is summer or long term, short term or long term internships, you can contact this email talent@itri.org.tw. And for the application, you can click here and you will be redirected to this page, and then select your desired internship program and do apply. And just remember, be concise, be precise in your application, and while you are writing motivation or statement of purpose, try to relate your experience. Experience is not necessary, but experience is a plus. If you have any industry experience or academic experience, mention it in your motivation and why you would like to do this internship, to get the knowledge, to get the exposure in the industry or something like this, so that you can be ahead of other applications. So it's a competitive one. Try and get something new through the internship, new knowledge, a new experience. And best of luck for the internship application. And if you like this kind of opportunities, fellowships, summer school, winter school, or term schools, conferences, and if you like this video or the information, like and hit the subscribe button to get updated with the latest information about new opportunities from across the globe. And till then, have a good day. Bye bye.